Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the next lesson. Today we will talk about question forms of have. Bugun biz sizlar bilan have'ning so'roq shakllarini o'rganib chiqamiz. Xo'p, so'roq qilish uchun auxiliary, ya'ni yordamchi fe'l oldiga o'tish kerak bo'ladi. Va so'roqni biz ikki xil usulda qilamiz. Birinchisi bu do. Do, I, you, we theylarga ishlaydi. Endi menda o'rik bormi demoqchi bo'lsangiz, do I have an apricot? Do you have a book? Sizda kitob bormi? Do we have chairs? Bizda stullar bormi? Do they have teachers? Ularning ustozlari bormi? Endi he, she itlarga esa does ishlaydi. Bundan xabaringlar bor. Does he have a dog? Uning iti bormi? Does she have a t-shirt? Uning futbolkasi bormi? Does it have a tail? Uning dumi bormi? Endi bir qator e'tibor qaratib qo'yasizlar. Here we have got do I, do you, do we, do they. Here we have got does. Does he, does she, does it. Endi sizlarda savol tug'ilishi mumkin. Siz he, she itlarga has degan edingiz. Nimaga bu yerda have bo'lyapti? Xo'p, buning javobi chunki bu yerda biz oddiy gap emas, birinchidan so'roq gap qilyapmiz. So'roq gap qilayotganimiz uchun bu yerda does bor. Endi does bo'lgandan keyin has have ga o'zgarib ketib qoladi. Does he have a dog bo'lib? Ya'ni uning iti bormi? Shunchaki unda it bor demoqchi bo'lsangiz, he has a dog. Yoki uning futbolkasi bormi qiz bolaga? Does she have a t-shirt? Shunchaki uning futbolkasi bor demoqchi bo'lsangiz, she has a t-shirt. Hokazo. Endi bularning javobi albatta qisqa bo'ladi. Ya'ni senda futbolka bormi desangiz, ha, bor deysiz yoki yo'q deysiz. Qanday? Agar bor demoqchi bo'lsangiz, yes, I do. Senda futbolka bormi? Do you have a t-shirt? Yes, I do. Do you have a t-shirt? No, I don't. Shu tarzda hosil qilinadi. Endi let's do exercise here. Write do or does. We have 10 sentences. Write do or does. Videoni pauza qiling va mashqni bajaring. I hope you did the exercise. Let's check it together. Do you have a brother? Does she have a dog? Do they have a car? Does he have a red bag? Do we have English today? Does it have 4 legs? Does your sister have long hair? Sister. She, yes. Does your sister have long hair? Do Tom and Anna have a TV? Tom and Anna, they, yes. Do Tom and Anna have a TV? Does your teacher, she or he, yes. Does your teacher have a computer? Do I have your book? Bugun sizlar bilan o'tadigan mavzuyimiz shu edi. Shu bilan biz have va hasning positive, darak, negative, inkor, question va so'roq gaplarni tugatdik. E'tiboringlar uchun rahmat katta. See you next time. Bye.